Welcome back. On this video, we are talking about what we're expecting on your favorite Star Life series this September. You guys, a lot of drama is actually going on that you don't need to miss. But however, before it's shown on TV, we are here to recap it for you to know what happens exactly on the TV before it is shown, which is definitely spoilers. So if you're a spoiler person and you enjoy watching spoilers, then stick around to this video because this covers a lot of episodes. And also, I think I'll be posting this on August. So also, if you are interested to see August spoilers, check out my channel and watch them as well because they're also posted there. Don't forget to subscribe in case you haven't subscribed to the channel yet. And the drama even get more intense and heated this September. Let us jump straight into the video of today without wasting any of your time.
1st September 2026 episode 1960 Anupama faces unjust dismissal. After confronting Digvijay for mistreating a household worker, Anupama is abruptly fired. Refusing to pay her salary, Digvijay leaves her devastated and humiliated. 2nd September 2026 Episode 1961 Digvijay's anger escalates. Although she no longer works there, Anupama lends a helping hand around the house. Digvijay loses his temper and orders her to stay away, as her presence forces him to relive painful memories. 3rd September 2026 Episode 1962 Anupama uncovers Digvijay's past. Determined to understand his behavior, Anupama discovers the hidden dreams and emotional wounds Digvijay has buried for years, leaving him stunned that she sees through his anger. 4th September 2026 episode 1963 Family conflicts intensify. While Digvijay struggles with his emotions, Anupama begins searching for a new source of income to ease her financial burden. At the same time, fresh disagreements erupt within both the Shah and Kothari families. 5th September 2026 Episode 1964 Prem and Rahi grow closer. Anupma secures another job, but her new beginning is interrupted when Paul angrily questions Rosie for hiring her. Elsewhere, Prem and Rahi enjoy a heartwarming romantic moment together. 6th September 2026 Episode 1965 Rosie's Cruel Trap. When Anupama suddenly disappears, Jaya turns to Digvijay for help. It is soon revealed that Rosie has secretly locked Anupama inside a room to sabotage her, while Mahi thanks Rahi for inspiring her latest designs. 7th September 2026 Episode 1966 Chaos rocks the Kothari family. The Kothari household is thrown into turmoil after Gautam's affair comes to light, prompting Mahi to leave the house. Amid the chaos, Anupama receives welcome news about being promoted to supervisor. 8th September 2026 Episode 1967 Rahi's new responsibility. Anupma shields Digvijay from an awkward confrontation with a stranger. Meanwhile, Rahi is assigned the responsibility of inspecting Prem's restaurant. 9th September 2026, Episode 1968, Anupama is framed. Just as Anupama begins settling into her supervisory role, a jealous colleague frames her for theft. Despite her innocence, the police intervene and she loses her job. 10th September 2026, Episode 1969, Digvijay protects Anupama. Paul attempts to assault Anupama, but Digvijay steps in and saves her. Even so, his emotional conflict leads him to ask her to leave his home, while Mahi confides in Rahi about Gautam's behavior. 11th September 2026, Episode 1970, Anupama reaches breaking point. As Digvijay reflects on memories of Jaya, Anupama breaks down after her privacy is violated. Elsewhere, Mahi's expected return sparks fresh arguments within the family. 12th September 2026 Episode 1971 Anupama's New Challenge. Anupama lands a catering contract but struggles to find a suitable kitchen to complete the order. Meanwhile, Anil insists that Mahi accompany him to an important business meeting. 13th September 2026 Episode 1972 Paul pays the price. Tensions flare when Gautam argues with Paritosh over Mahi. Later, Paul insults Jaya, pushing Anupama beyond her limit and prompting her to physically confront him. 14th September 2026, Episode 1973, Jaya vanishes. Shortly after the confrontation with Paul, Jaya mysteriously disappears. Sensing that something is terribly wrong, Anupama begins searching for clues. 18 September 2026. Episode 1974. Anupama rescues Jaya. Realizing Jaya has become a pawn in a larger scheme, Anupama and Digvijay race against time to locate her. Following Digvijay's instincts, they find and rescue Jaya before it's too late. Ayoshi September 2026. Episode 1975. Vasundhara blames Anupama. Although Jaya is found, her fragile health and rising medical expenses create new problems. Instead of offering support, Vasundhara harshly criticizes Anupama. High within September 2026. Episode 1976. Anupama protects Jaya. Anupama once again saves Jaya from danger and performs a special aarti in hopes of restoring peace. However, Paul soon returns with a serious threat against her business. 18 September 2026. Episode 1977. Pressure mounts on every side. Paul's warning creates fresh tension as financial struggles worsen and hidden enemies begin sabotaging Anupama's growing business. 19 September 2026. Episode 1978. Anupama walks away. Refusing to tolerate further emotional manipulation, Anupama decides to leave Digvijay's home, leaving everyone shocked by her sudden departure. 20th September 2026. Episode 1979. Rahi refuses to back down. While Anupama searches for a fresh start, Rahi faces increasing pressure from her family but firmly refuses to compromise her principles. 21st September 2026. Episode 1980. A mysterious warning. As Anupama rebuilds her career, a stranger unexpectedly approaches her with a disturbing warning about a hidden threat facing her loved ones. 22nd September 2026. Episode 1981. Mahi is forced out. Vasundhara throws Mahi out of the house, leaving the family stunned. At the same time, Anupama's firm decision leaves Prem feeling hurt and misunderstood. 23rd September 2026. Episode 1982. Anupama refuses to yield. Vasundhara pleads with Anupama to soften her stance regarding Mahi, but she refuses to change her mind. Rahi's involvement only fuels another heated family argument. 24th September 2026. Episode 1983. Prem turns against Rahi. Anupama withdraws her support for Prem, leaving him furious. Blaming Rahi for everything that has happened, Prem vents his anger at her. 25th September 2026. Episode 1984. Prem questions Anupama. Prem confronts Anupama and challenges the sacrifices she has made throughout her life, leaving her emotionally shaken by his painful words. 26 September 2026. Episode 1985. Rahi rejects her mother. After Rahi harshly rejects her, Anupama suffers an emotional collapse and pours out years of hidden pain. Meanwhile, Rahi quietly fears she may lose her mother forever. 27 September 2026. Episode 1986. Family tensions explode. Arguments erupt across the family as Pakhi clashes with Anupama and Prem loses his temper. Exhausted by the constant conflict, Anupama considers walking away. 28 September 2026. Episode 1987. A new beginning for Anupama. Anupama and Digvijay decide to open a food stall at a local carnival, while Rahi and Prerna work together to persuade Prem to resume the restaurant inspection. 29 September 2026. Episode 1988. Anupama refuses to give up. Digvijay creates obstacles that threaten Anupama's plans and finances, but she remains determined to overcome every challenge and rebuild her life. 30th September 2026. Episode 1989. Hasmukh suffers in silence. Anupama's food stall becomes a huge success at the carnival. However, Hasmukh quietly endures a personal crisis without telling his family, while the arrival of a new person hints at more upheaval ahead.